I'm Will Primos, and you're watching Paul Clark Bow Hunting Channel.
December 2019, I'm hunting in South Texas with my good friend Will Fawcett. We're hunting for deer, but this group of javelina come in, and I'm sure not going to pass up an opportunity at one of those. There's a huge male in the group, and I really want to get a crack at this one. Got me a javelina, smoked it, it dropped right behind the blind. It's only 10 yards away. But we're gonna wait till dark to go get it because it's deer time. Wanted to get one ever since I hunted in Mexico. In the early 90s, I shot 4 of them. I finally got a crack at one. Thanks, buddy.
Big heavy down.
That's a big one, man. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful javelina. We're gonna sneak it out of here so we can come back in the morning. Try to get a good old buck.
Wish I had my good light. We've been really experimenting with nighttime pictures. It's kind of going pretty good.
Hey, huge thanks to Will Fawcett at Lone Oak Adventures. Another unbelievable hunt. We're gonna go do some skinning here this afternoon. Thank you so much, Will. Great time, great time.